I've wanted this car ever since I laid eyes upon it. This is the Bugatti Bolide, a vehicle I've always dreamed of owning in my collection. What's this we have right here? This thing looks menacing. Looks like it's ready to bite. I like this car because it looks like it has X's as headlights, like the eyes are crossed out. Despite the fact that this thing is the third Bugatti in my entire collection. I mean, hell, this thing was really hard to find, like my Lamborghini Centenario and my Lamborghini Sian. Nevertheless, I am very happy that I found this vehicle, and I have a special place for it in my collection. Sure, this Bugatti might be a little bit flashy and quite aggressive looking, but let's not forget